What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I got right here the Google Pixel 9a. I've been using it for a couple days now, and I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should consider buying the Google Pixel 9a. And I got to tell you, this phone is a very good value. For what you pay for, you're getting a very good phone and very great experience, in my opinion. So I want to start off with reason number 1 is going to be the software and the performance. First of all, you're getting clean Pixel UI, one of my favorite user interfaces. One UI 7 is also one of my favorites, but man, Pixel just can't get cleaner than that. And the thing that I love about Pixel UIs, I don't know about you, but whenever I use a Pixel device, it just makes me want to get work done. It makes me want to feel more productive. And that's, I guess, I don't know. It's kind of weird. You have to kind of really use Pixel to understand. But I think, there are some other people who feel the same way. But the user interface, very simple, straightforward, minimal, clean with Material U. I think Google has done a great job with the software itself. Now, obviously, you're getting really good, Google features. You're getting call screen, you're getting now playing, you're getting magic eraser in Google Photos, although that's obviously available on other devices through Google Photos. But you're also getting 7 years of software updates, which is great. You're getting the Google Tensor G4 chipset in the Pixel 9a. And it's been very good. Look, it's not the top of the line chipset, and that is completely okay. It doesn't need to, because on a day-to-day basis, I've thrown my entire workflow, my entire, just regular personal and business side of things, I've thrown everything at it, from calling and texting to playing games like Clash of Clans, Call of Duty, and it hasn't skipped a beat. It's a 120 hertz panel. The display is really nice as well. So you really can't go wrong with the software and the performance aspect with the Pixel 9a. Again, like what you get with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, you get pretty much the exact same day-to-day experience with the Google Pixel 9a. So that is a great thing, because look, you're paying $500, which I'm going to get to in a moment. But you're getting almost the exact same experience that you would get if you were to pick up the Pixel 9 Pro or Pro XL, or even just the Pixel 9, which are at least $200, $300, $400 more expensive. Now, reason number 2 is going to be these set of cameras. Pixel cameras, in my experience, have always performed the best. Look, I've used the Pixel 4a, I've used the Pixel 5a, 6a, 7a, and from Pixel 6 Pro all the way to 9 Pro XL, and now the 9a. And I gotta tell you, the one thing that Pixel has never let me down with is the cameras. Amazing performance with the cameras, affordable pricing for these really good cameras, really great. One of the best cameras, I think, especially in its price range. Google's image processing is personally one of my favorite, and I think it's still top tier. It has excellent low light and night photography. There's also portrait mode that's really, really good, as well as HDR, and I think it does rival its flagships. And here's the thing, you have a wide and ultra wide, which is my personal setup. Like if you have 2 camera lenses, you go wide, ultra wide. I wouldn't really prefer having a telephoto lens. Again, that's just me, but I really like the setup here. I absolutely love it. And, if I'm going to go like just on a photo shoot, then I'm always going to bring a Pixel with me. And right now I've been bringing the Pixel 9a, and it's been performing like a champ. So whenever someone asks me which phone should I pick up, I'm really into photography especially. I say, well, pick up the Pixel. Whatever type of Pixel you pick up. If you want, obviously, all the pro features and you want the best of the best of a Pixel, you go with the 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL. But if you still, want to get a really good Pixel camera without breaking the bank, it's going to be the Pixel 9a camera. And that's going to bring me into the third reason, which is going to be the price on this. $499 for 128 gigs of storage, which is pretty decent. I kind of wish it was a base of 256 gigs, but 128, I guess it's doable. And I like it. Affordable pricing. It's not sacrificing the core features of what makes this a Pixel. It delivers flagship level experience, if you ask me. I kind of see this as like 80%, 75, 80% of what the Google Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, whatever, the 9 series has to offer in just a more affordable price bracket. I think it's ideal for students. I think it's ideal for casual users or anyone who is, who has a budget and is looking to pick up a really good phone without breaking the bank. And it has great longevity. I mean, it doesn't feel like a cheap phone. The build quality is great. The only thing I don't like is just the slightly thicker bezels, and I think you can get away with that. Like, you can kind of pass by that, and it's not a deal breaker. It's just something I've noticed, and obviously it makes sense, being $499. I wouldn't expect it to have a super premium build like the Pixel 9 series, 9, 9 Pro, and Pro XL, but it still feels really good to hold in the hand. It feels really light. And also, just a little bonus, the battery life on this is phenomenal. Like, this easily lasts me all day. If you are a heavy user, if you're using your phone from morning to night, for everything, calling, texting, watching YouTube videos, browsing the web, using it for social media, for photos, videos, playing games, it's gonna last you all day. So you won't have to worry about battery life on the Pixel 9a. But I think that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot. Will help push my content out to more people. And also, definitely be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Color Blast. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. I do have some more right here. So yeah, it really goes a long way in helping out the channel. But I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next video.